Energize your day. Top wellness hacks to boost your energy levels. Are you constantly feeling drained? Do you find yourself reaching for that third cup of coffee before noon? It's time to turn the tide on tiredness. Imagine waking up, feeling fully recharged and ready to tackle the day. We're here to show you how, with simple wellness hacks that will boost your energy levels. Firstly, hydration is key. Drinking water throughout the day keeps your energy up. Often, when we feel tired, we're just dehydrated. Let's talk breakfast. Starting your day with a protein-rich meal can keep you feeling full and energized longer than sugary cereals ever could. Snack smart. Instead of reaching for chips or sweets, opt for nuts or fruit. These healthy alternatives provide a sustained energy release. Movement matters. Incorporate short, brisk walks into your daily routine. Just 5 minutes can significantly increase your energy levels. The power of a power nap cannot be overstated. A quick 20-minute rest can work wonders for your energy levels in the afternoon. Stress drains energy. Learn simple breathing exercises or meditation to manage stress levels more effectively, keeping you calmer and more energized. Consider your sleep environment. Creating a restful atmosphere can improve the quality of your sleep, leaving you more refreshed in the morning. Limit screen time before bed. The blue light from devices can disrupt your sleep cycle, affecting your energy levels the next day. Adopting a regular sleep schedule also helps regulate your body's internal clock, ensuring you get quality rest and wake up energized. Finally, remember that these hacks are tools to help you. Experiment and see what works best for you. Start today, and feel the difference in your energy levels.